ano po? What's the dinner? Anong dinner natin, kuya? Ashi. Oh, Ashi is very loving. Ashi, don't ask me sending you load. I have no load. Shout out, saan ba nga kayo? Shout out my US friends and friends from India and Australia. Mr. and Mr. M&A Mystery Tours. Congratulations for your 6K. I think Big Boy more than 6K ha. I'm sorry, I wasn't able really to visit. When my thumb is no more tight, it's no longer tight. I'm gonna check. Because we will be preparing. The academic coordinator already told me that we are going to give test questions already. So we're just, this is just supposed to be my 3rd day in school. So, I'm still trying to cope up with everything. We still have to buy class record and yeah, everything. Prepare everything. My face. Where's my face? I'm haggardness. Yeah. Here, Mr. and Mrs. Mystery. So, ayan. I'm still wearing this one. Ayoko ng alisin. Okay. Actually, I cannot marry you because I'm already married. Okay. Alright. You silly boy. Ashish, can you go to Big Boy? Big Boy has a link. And can you go to M&A and Kuya Joey? Kuya Joey is balingoy-ngoy. Is nosebleed. Balingoy-ngoy, no, it means nosebleed in Tagalog. That's what he said. Can you see those cars? These are the vehicles here in the Philippines. Thank you so much for the support, everyone. I just took the opportunity to go live and show you around while I'm around. Maraming salamat. What? Yup. Okay, I think I'll be losing signal. So I'm gonna say, okay, I think I'll be losing signal. So I'm gonna say goodbye now, everybody. I'll see you later while I travel to the mall, or maybe if I still have time. Thank you so very much, everyone, for joining me during this short live stream. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone. Shout out to all the Luvlines, Galaxy, and Super LUV STARS, to the Moon family, Ads family, and Snow family. So, teka muna, merong pa. Yeah, I'll take the chance for you to see. That's the MRT 7, which I was mentioning, MRT under construction. So there was no signal earlier. I got back. And 7 millionaires, maraming salamat. Thank you so very much for that. For joining me this journey this morning. Maraming salamat po. Shout out my friends around the world. We love. And if you're growing your channel, feel free. If you're not yet connected with each other, connect with each other. And watch a video that's Amparo Village. You can see. Okay. Traveling home. Oops. A big post.